Today, we are going to be looking at place value. International place value. What is a place value? A place value is the value a digit has because of its position in a number. Now look at the board. We have the ones. I'm going to be writing it, the ones. We have tens. We have hundreds. We have thousand. We have 10,000. We have 100,000. We have million. We have 10 million. And we have 100 million. Hundreds of million, tens of million. These are place value. Every number has its own place value. So we are going to be placing this number according to their place values. Now what we have here is 430,356,837. Let's quickly arrange them according to their place values. So we'll be starting from the 1s, 7, 3, 8, 6, 5, 3, 0, 3, and 4. Very, very simple and interesting. So what we have here is 430,356,837. That is very simple. And this explains how every digit we have in a number has their own place values. I hope it's well understood. All right, we are going to take some few examples. Let me quickly clean this one while you focus on this. So let's take few examples, maybe 2. What is the place value of 5 in 235,630? What is the place value of this? We're going to do it as simple as it should be. So we'll write out the number. Zero, 3, 6, 5, 3, and 2. So let's start from the ones. This is the ones. This is the tens. This is the 100. This is the 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. So looking at this 5, the place value of the digit 5 in this number is 1,000. That's the correct answer. I hope it's clear enough. Let's take the second example in our place value. arrange these numbers in their place value. Looking at it is very simple. We have 4 digits number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start from the 1,000. You can start from the ones, 100, tens, and ones. So we arrange the number. Always start from here: 3, 2, and 7. So these are the place value of this number. 4 is ones, 3 is tens, 2 is 100, and 7 is 1,000. It's as simple as that. The last example, example 3. What is the place value of 7 in this number? What is the place value of 7 in 730,251? Most time, if you want to know the value or the place value of a particular number, you can easily, as you're saying the number, you can easily just shout. What I mean by that is like this 7 here, you can say 700. By doing that, you've already known where the place value is. So let us place the number according to their position. We have ones, we have tens, we have 100, we have 1,000, we have 10,000, we have 100,000. So at this point, we can place it 2, 0, 3, and 7. So, looking at this place value of 7 is 100,000. So this is 700. 700,000. That's when you want to say the number. You say 730,000. 730,000. So that is how you find the place value of every digit. Bye.